Any DIY SOS fans out there?
It's literally like a mansion. Let me show you.
I feel like I could DIY one of them.
Yes, you should.
My Carrington
Not that I've got some pallet clothes. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a vlog for you, and today's vlog is going to be quite DIY heavy because I'm off to a couple of events today. Well, I'm actually at one already. The one that I'm at is with a company called Lightwave, who essentially I think are basically like clever plug sockets and light fittings, but I'll find out a bit more about them while we're here. Luke's here as well. He's over there getting a bit of a talk about the plug sockets, but I'm sure he'll say hello in a bit. And then later on I'm going to be meeting Dainty, and we're off to another event with Ryobi where we'll be getting our hands on some power tools. So before we get cracking, if you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and if you enjoy this DIY vlog, do give it a little thumbs up. We're at a place called the Shoreditch Treehouse. Have a look at this space. It's got a chair over there, and there's a swing behind me. Might have to have a go on that in a little bit. Do you want to say hello?
Hello. Have you told them what the brand is? Lightwave. Yeah.
And the good thing is, yeah, and they are suitable as well for renters as well as homeowners, because there's some that you can kind of plug into your plugs.
Yeah, and then some you
That's the technical term.
Yeah, some complete. What is it actually called? Like the
you can some that you can fit.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, the fit, like the actual fit.
Some that you can hardwire in, and others that you can just pop onto your plugs, and essentially I think you can then control them from wherever you are in the world. So you can be off on your travels and put the lights out.
Safety, isn't it? Yeah, definitely.
Or put them on.
We'll find out. We're about to have a whole spiel about it. So
Yeah.
And Billy, any DIY SOS fans out there?
Yeah, Billy from DIY SOS is over there. We'll put him on here. And then later on, I think I've said this already, I'm going to meet Dainty in a bit.
I'm so jealous. I actually wish I was coming. Have a Guinness on me, please.
We will.
I'm we'll
get the points to plane and we'll be away.
I love that, and it's beautiful weather as well. You're very lucky.
Yeah. What are you doing today?
I've got an event this evening. I'm drinking a lot of pizza and eating a lot of prosecco. What? Drinking a lot of pizza. I swear this is coffee. I'm eating.
We'll get the coffee down us, and then we'll make sense in a little bit, hopefully, when we've learned about plugs and lights.
If you're comfortable fitting a dimmer in your lounge, you can fit all this stuff.
Installing, as I said, it's quite simple and it's an easy way to install it, but I always suggest you do get an electrician in.
Oh, sorry. I said I was going to find my story about this green garden area.
Oh yeah, it's really nice. So we're all done. So I'm off to meet Dainty now.
Yes.
You have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
And next time I see you know what that's for?
Oh my god, it's on Thursday!
We've got the Blogosphere Awards on Thursday, which we're very excited about.
A little bit nervous.
Very nervous as well,
Are you gonna
actually.
vlog it?
Yeah, we're going to vlog it.
Look forward to the vlog.
Yay! It might be up before this one, knowing me. We're all over the shop. And welcome to London. Nice to have you back. We're in a place called Little Creatures, having some little drinks. Yeah. I'm working with them for Instagram, so I'll pop the picture up that Dainty just took of me. Yeah, and I'll put one of the food up as well. Yeah. And yeah, we're just tasting all the different beers that they've got available.
What's yours is a cider.
That's actually a cider. Yeah, I'm cheating. There's no pints of plain here. How are you feeling about that?
Well, there's a pint of ale.
A pint of ale.
Good for what ale is. I love your Irish accent.
It's rubbish. Do your London one, cowboy.
In it, bruv.
In it, bruv. Cheers to that. And then we're going to get a little train. I would say little before things. It's probably a normal sized train.
It might go.
Where are we going? Where are we heading?
Reading.
Yeah.
But it's further than Reading.
Yes, we've got to change.
Mortimer. Country Manor. I'm saying it's Country Manor. I don't know if it is. But
No. And I need you to look after me today because I've already forgotten my suitcase. My hairdryer exploded this morning, and I found a dead mouse in the kitchen. I have to beep that now. So yeah, you need to be my just watch after me. So it's going to be one of those days.
And she just said that he wants to go on a rampage.
Might have said that. We're going to behave. We're going to learn how to use some power tools.
We also must, it's only 2 p.m. as well.
Cheers.
Cheers to 2 p.m.
Well, I'll just show you this wall behind me as well, because I think we'll all appreciate that.
And they have beer skills.
Now that is the kind of schooling I could get involved with.
That's the kind of school I would not have dropped out of.
We might have got A's all around. You've got to do the gazing out the window shot. We've just arrived in Mortimer, and I think we're properly in the countryside.
It's the cutest little place.
It is cute, isn't it?
Look at the little train station.
Dainty just said we'll get a little Uber. I don't think we will.
I don't think. I love how you used to crouch down.
I know.
So
Sit on my suitcase. That's better. Right, off we go. We're on an adventure now. See where this takes us. Wow. Breathe that in. Country air. We made it to the hotel and we've just checked in, and it is a beautiful hotel. The part that we're in is called the mansion, and it is literally like a mansion. Let me show you out the window so you can see the rest of this building. How nice is that? I feel like we're out in the proper countryside here, which is lovely. And then this is the room. Ewan, thanks for joining us at the Ryobi conference. Here's a little something to recharge your battery anytime. The thing about Ryobi tools, I may have mentioned this before in my previous videos with them, is that one battery fits all of their tools, which I think is genius. If you have a few tools from their range, you don't need lots of batteries cluttering your place up, so I think that's very clever. Let's just show you the rest of the room as well. There's some lovely little touches in here. I like the chair in the corner, and lovely old school radio. And then, oh, I like the map above the bed as well, that's nice. Lighting and big TV on the wall, not that I'll probably be getting time to watch that. Nice old wardrobe as well. And then through here is the bathroom. There's a nice big shower in here as well. So I think the plan for this evening is to have some drinks and to meet the other people here, and I think there's going to be a dinner and some kind of presentation. And then tomorrow we'll be getting the chance to try out some of the power tools. I think we're going to go and take some pictures outside now though, because it's so... The minute I start she swears. Literally. The minute I switch the camera on, potty mouth. Just doing it on mine. She's trying to get me strikes on YouTube, I swear.
I never swear on my channel, but I swear like a trooper on Instagram, and I swear like a trooper in general, and it's not ladylike.
It's not allowed on Mr. Carrington. It's not that sort of channel.
How warm it is.
It is rather warm. We're outside though because it's a beautiful evening. We're just taking some pictures for Instagram, which Dainty likes to swear on.
Do it for the gram.
So we've just took some over there by that little summer house, and now I'm going to shoot some on the steps.
Garden, that little summer house. I feel like I could DIY one of them.
Yes, you should.
With my carpentry
You could knock that up out of some pallet crates.
Yeah. Paint it white.
Yeah.
Job done. Sand the base.
How nice is this though? And then look over there. That's the all the tents for tomorrow. So it looks like it's going to be quite a big event. And this is the hotel.
You in the deck chair with the thing in the background.
Oh right? Yeah. Time to say goodnight. Back with the tools in the morning. Good morning, it's the next day. We are now in the lawnmower area, having a look at the lawnmowers. There's some over there that you can ride on. I think we might be getting a go very shortly, which is very exciting. And Dainty's here taking some pics.
I'm going to get
He's vlogging.
on my mower.
Yeah, we're gonna go for a ride shortly. Fingers crossed. Oh, we might be having a race. Look, there's some mowers over there waiting.
Streets forward, back. That is a fun break.
I don't think I've probably paid attention.
Just go slow. Yeah, anything you do now will move.
You actually make it look easy.
Whoa. I love it.
How are you making it go backwards? You pulling it? Oh.
How cool is this? This is a robotic lawnmower. So if you don't want to be out doing it yourself, you can get one of these. Daisy's just had a go with the chainsaw for the first time. How did you find it?
Scary, but like empowering.
Empowering. Yeah, I think you did good.
I think
We need to get some of those offcuts, I reckon.
Yeah, because that's a DIY right
I can
there,
see a little
the
DIY coming on. We want them. Some of those will be going in the bag and coming home with us.
Absolutely.
We're just getting a little demonstration on leaf blower stroke suckers. That's the technical term for them. And I think we're just going to see a little race now, so to see how quickly they can suck up the leaves. I actually use one of these on my roof garden, and sometimes I find it a complete palaver to plug it in. So the fact that these are handheld is really useful.
They're all 36 volt, okay? Really very confident. I'm afraid you've got the short straw there. Ready, go! There's a story to be told here, I think, and hopefully it speaks for itself.
Alright, you guys ready? Yeah. Ready, set, go! Alright guys, I think we have a winner, right?
I'm just going to have a go with the pressure washer on the decking, because that's what I've got in my roof garden. See how this works out. Thank you, Dainty. engraving station, so I'm going to have a go at engraving a little candle holders, see how we get on with that. That's it.
That's it.
So easy.
Oh my god, that is really easy.
Yeah. Whack it in reverse and it will come out.
Put back in now. Done.
Okay, we're all finished. Dainy's just packing up.
Don't be showing them me knickers.
Sorry.
No, I've packed them the other side.
Oh, good, good. So we're off now, but I really hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Back to London, then back to Dublin for you.
No, Dublin.
Oh no,
tomorrow.
Dublin tomorrow. Yeah. So I will leave a little link down below for Dainy's channel and her vlog when it goes up. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. I'm posting new videos
And
every
thumbs
single
up.
week. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Light wire.
Like,
Wave. Like wave, not light wire.
look at the contrast.
Bake the cake.
That's just not.
The shade.
Oh yeah.
What's the moustache on your camera?
That's my micro mask.
You know I trimmed my micro muff for this trip.
That's going in.
I did.
That is going in.
We haven't got Nick.
Nick Knowles, where are you? Right here.
Yeah.
We've just arrived in Mortimer. Oh, it's noisy. What? It's full of innuendos. The outtakes from this video is going to be too much.